Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making a very simple video. I am going to be washing my hair and also deep conditioning my hair. So I'm going to be making a very simple deep conditioner that you can make at home. It's very simple, very easy. It doesn't require much. So if you think you'll be interested in this video, then keep on watching. So this is what my hair looks like. I just took down my protective hairstyle. I haven't done anything to my hair. I haven't even detangled my hair yet. So right now I'm going to go straight to the bathroom, wash my hair, then I'm going to make the deep conditioner. So yeah, before then, this is the shampoo that I am going to be using to wash my hair. This is the Tresemme, the 24 hours volume shampoo. So this is the one I'm going to be using to wash my hair. So let's go make the deep conditioner and also wash my hair. So here I got some fresh aloe vera. I'm going to be using this aloe vera. So I'm going to extract just the gel because that is all I need. So this is my aloe vera gel. I'm done extracting just the gel. So now I'm going to be adding my other product. So like I showed you guys, I used the Tresemme shampoo. So I'm also going to be using the conditioner, but I'm going to be mixing it with my aloe vera. Then mix it properly before I apply it to my hair. So yeah. So I'm going to mix everything off camera, then I'll be back to show you guys the whole application. So guys, this is very thick, very thick. Can you see the consistency? So like I showed you guys, this is my hair. I'm done washing it, and I used the Tresemme to wash my hair, and that's because I'm not at home, so I didn't have my own product with me. I decided to use what was available at home. Guys, this is the consistency. Can you guys see? This is the consistency. Yeah, I'm going to be applying this to my hair, then allow it to sit for about 30 to 1 hour before I rinse it off. I am not going to be shampooing my hair after applying this. I'm only going to use water to rinse it off. Okay, so I'm done applying everything to my hair. I've gone through each and every one of them. I still have a little here. So now I'm going to go over each one and then try to detangle my hair with the product before I allow it to sit. So this is what came out right now from this particular one. So guys, this is my hair. I'm done detangling my hair completely. I just love how my hair feels. It feels really soft. I just love everything. So let me just show you guys what came out of this entire process. That is all that came out, and yeah, that is all that came out throughout this detangling process. This is because my hair is well moisturized and hydrated from the aloe vera and the conditioner. So yeah, now I'm just going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before I rinse it off. So I'm just going to apply the rest of the product, what's left here, around my edges. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you once I'm done washing everything out, just to show you guys what my hair looks like. So see you in a bit.